Hi guys, I recently got something on TikTok shop. I wanted to apply and show you what is it. So let's see if it's worth it. I have a hard time finding eyebrow pencil. Let's see if this is gonna work on my eyebrows. Color is 05 or 05. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta be gentle, I think. I'm gonna go with this brush, I guess. I don't think I know how to use eyebrow brush. Oh my god. But it looks pretty good for people who know how to apply this. What do you guys think? Honestly, it's not that bad. I'm gonna be serious right now. I think I made it too black. I really don't know. I look like a different person. Wow. Oh, I think it's really nice. It actually suits me very nice. The more I look at it, the more I like it. I'm gonna add this to my showcase on TikTok. What do you guys think? Well, you know where my showcase is on TikTok, so you are welcome and good luck with shopping. I wish you perfect eyebrows.